Hello everyone, this is SimNet Excel Pause and Practice Excel 3-2 exercise. You need the completed Excel 3-1 which I have here, and to complete this we will need the completed file from Pause and Practice Excel 3-1. Okay. Now we're going to start. Let's rename the file as Pause and Practice. That's the first task, is to change the file name to Pause and Practice Excel 3-2. Your initials PPE 3 dash. Next we are into task 2, add chart title. Select the P&L sheet tab. So we are here in the P&L sheet tab, and then click on the chart elements quick button and the chart title. So first of all, we need to make sure that your chart is selected. If you see here, the chart is not selected. Let me maximize it to show you. See here, the chart is not selected. So if you have to select it, you have to click inside the chart area. Click on this. See, this is called the chart area. Just to show you, this is called the chart area. This is called the plot area. This is chart and this is plot area, just for your information. Okay, and this is chart elements, this is chart styles, and these are chart filters. Just for your information, we'll need all these three to complete this exercise. Okay, so it says select the chart and click on chart elements, select the chart title box. So let's click on this, chart elements, chart title, and then we are going to enter the text. In here, we're going to be typing. Okay, let's see what we need to type. Click on the formula bar. This is the formula bar. In this, you have to type monthly. As you type, the chart title here will also change. Let's just see, monthly income by state. Enter. See, automatically the chart title has changed. Now click on the home tab. While this is selected, click on the home tab and change the font size to 18. There you go, 18. So now we have changed the title font size to 18. Click on the worksheet cell to deselect the object. So whenever you want to deselect, now it is selected. If you want to deselect it, click on anywhere on the chart or the worksheet, it will automatically get deselected. Next, let's go to the next task, which is task number 3. We are going to format the chart and the plot areas. As I told you, this is the chart area and this is the plot area. Now we are going to start with the chart area. Click on Format tab and verify the chart area is selected. We're going to make sure we're going to click on the Format tab and the chart area. Let's click on the Format tab here. So if you see, when you select the chart, it automatically brings up a temporary menu. So we're going to select the format, and we are going to make sure from the correct selection, we're going to say if chart area is selected. Let's check the chart area. Okay, so chart area should be highlighted, and then we click on the Format tab, Shape Styles Group. So Format tab, Shape Styles Group, and then we click More. It says click More button, which is this, and then we select the Subtle Effect Gray Accent 3, the fourth row. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, fourth row, Subtle Effect Gray Accent 3. Let's see if it's Gray Accent. No, it has to be Subtle. No, not this one, this one. Yeah, Subtle Effect Gray Accent 3. That's what it's asked to fit. So let's select that. Now it fills the chart area. If you take a look at this, it fills the chart area. Okay, now click on Chart Elements and select the plot area. So let's go here and select the chart elements and click the, it has to be in the format. We have to click on Format, Format, Current Selection, select the plot area. There you go, plot area. It selects the plot area here. So we have selected the plot area. Click on More in the Format tab, Shape Styles. So click on Format, Shape Styles. Once again, it says Shape Styles, More, and Moderate Effect Gray Accent 3. More, Moderate Effect, which is the 5th row here. Moderate Effect Gray Accent 3. That's the end of task 3. Okay. Now we go to task 4, Display Format Grid Lines. Once again, click on the Chart Elements, Quick button, and click the Grid Lines arrow. So make sure that you click on the Chart Elements, and then make sure the grid lines is selected. Click the arrow. Let's take a look at the task. It's asking us to select the vertical value axis major lines. Okay. And then go on to Shape Outline. Choose the black text 1 color. Okay. Let's do it one by one. I'm just going to make it bigger so we are all able to see that. Okay. So let's make it a little bigger. And I select here. I select the grid lines, and then it's asking us to select the vertical value axis major. Okay. More options. There you go. Sorry. Chart Elements. Select. Sorry, we are in 4. Select Chart Elements, Quick button, select Grid Lines, and then in the grid lines, select the primary, minor, horizontal. That's what we want. Okay. So here we have completed 4B, and we see that the chart looks something like this. Good. Next we go to 4C. Click Chart Elements Quick button, close the menu. Next, click on the Chart Elements drop down list from the Format tab. Format tab. Go to the current selection and select the vertical value axis major grid lines, and then go to Shape Outline, which is Format, Shape Outlines, this here, and then go on to select the second column, which is black text 1. Okay. If you take a look at the instructions, it would say add black text 1, which is here. Okay. So click on Format, go to Shape Styles, then Shape Outline, and then we select black text 1. Okay. Right. Next it says select the minor grid lines and apply the same color. Okay. In order to do that, first let's select the minor grid lines, which is Format, current, we go to minor. Here select this. Okay. And then we also go back to Shape Styles, Shape Outline, and select the black. So here you go. Now you get all the lines in the same color. Okay, that's the end of task 4. Now we go to task 5. Task 5 is select the source data. Click Chart Filters Quick icon button. So the quick, and deselect the Minnesota box from the category. That's what we are doing, and click Apply. Okay, I'm going to maximize it to show. So click on Chart Filter. So make sure the chart is selected. This is Chart Filters. Click on that and deselect Minnesota. See, you already have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of them here. If you deselect it, it automatically eliminates one of those states. Let's do that. See, instead of 5, now you will have 4. Okay, when you click Apply, it just takes it. See, now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 instead of 5. Okay, right. That's task 5. Next, we continue to task 6. Okay, change chart colors. Click on Chart Border to select the object. Now, this chart is not selected, so click on that. Now it is selected. Click Chart Design tab and change colors. Go to Chart Design, and then go to change colors, and then you select monochromatic palette 11. Monochromatic, this is monochromatic 1, so we have to select 11, so we just have to go down to 11, which is in this one. Yeah, monochromatic palette 11. So select that and then select B35. Okay, I told you in order to go to B35, you could either enter B35 here, or you could just go down to B35. There you go. We are in B35 now. That's the end of task 6. Now we go to task 7. Change the chart style. So now it says click the income chart tab. We are in P&L tab, so we have to go to the income chart tab where we already have a chart here. Click the chart area. So select the chart area and then click on chart styles in the click button. So if you go to chart design, chart styles, and select style 3, which is this style 3. There you go. Select style 3. Good. Okay, that's the end of task 7. Task 8. Use an icon to fill one of them. Here you see all the blue color. Now we can use a diagram or a picture or an icon. We're going to do that. So click on P&L sheet tab. We go back to P&L sheet tab and we are in B35. Select the cell B35. You will insert an icon on this sheet and copy it to the clipboard. Okay. Let's see how to insert an icon. Click on the insert tab, insert. And in the illustrations group, which is here, you will find an icon. In this search button, you have to type winner. We are in task 8C. Type winner. And then you will see a lot of icons here. It says click the ribbon icon with the dark outline. Here we go, this one. Let's select this and click insert. Okay, confirm that the icon is selected. Make sure that this icon is selected and hit Ctrl C or copy. Okay, we have copied this icon now to the clipboard, and we are 8F says press delete and delete the icon now. You can delete the icon even though it is available in the clipboard because you copied it. Ctrl C is to copy. Now click income chart sheet again. Let's go back to the income chart again, and now we're going to insert that into one of these graphs and fill it up. Okay. So double click on the Indiana bar, which is Indiana is here. We're going to double click on this. See, when you double click on this, it selects only Indiana. If you take a look, all these are not selected, only Indiana is selected, and it opens up a data series option. See, series options. In that you will have fill and line. Let's see, this is called fill and line. Click on this, and in the fill, expand the fill, select picture or texture, and then in that you have to select the clipboard because we have the icon on the clipboard. See, when you click it, it says there's one icon that is pasted, but we don't want it like this. We want it stacked. Okay, so now we have inserted one icon. Now you can go down, you can just go down and click stack. If you click on stack, you're going to have multiple smaller icons like that. See, so you stacked it and you got an icon like that. Okay, scroll the pane and expand the border group. Okay, go down, border, go to the border group, and then select a solid line here, solid line, and then if you see, there's a border here, there's a border for this right here. Okay, now close the pane. To close it, just press the X button. Yes, see, now you have your chart ready. That's the end of task 8. Now we are on task 9. Edit the chart title and apply a word art. So triple click on the title box, the word total. Here you see the word, the title here. Triple click on that, so you will be able to edit it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so just have to click it quick, and it edits that. Okay. Now that we are in the edit mode, we just have to enter the text that is given to us here. Total rental income for 3 months. Okay, you can enter it like that. Triple click once again, and then you can change it either here, or you can go to the home tab and change it to 24. There you go. So it changes the whole thing to 24. Good. Now click the border area of the chart title and display the selection handles on the text. Let's see, double click. Okay, here you go. And then click more. Okay, so once when you select that, make sure that you go to Format tab and select Word Art Styles. Click more. It says we are in task 9E. Click more. And then fill black text one color. So third row, first icon. Third row, first icon. So when you click on this, it automatically changes the title to Word Art. Okay, that's the end of task 9. Now we go to task 10. Remove data labels and show data table. Okay, so click on chart elements and deselect the data labels. So when you click on the chart elements, this is chart elements, click on that and deselect the data labels. There you go. And select the data table. There you go, data table, and choose no legend keys. No legend keys. When you press the arrow, you get a sub menu, no arrow keys. And then once again, when you click this, it disappears. Let's click on this. Okay, it disappears. Okay. Right. See, it has given you all the details here in terms of numbers. Okay. Right. Next, add alternate text. This is for accessibility for people who cannot hear or people who cannot see. We can add alternate text. So right click on the border of the chart and select alternate text. So you could just click on right click on the border. So you can click and right click on the border and view alternate text or edit alternate text. You could click on any one of them and here you get alternate text, and now we got to type the text that is given to us. The values represent totals for June, July and August period. The data table below the chart clarifies the value. Okay, period. Close the pane. So it is here and it gives alternate text for the hearing and the visually challenged people. Okay, close the pane, save the workbook. So save it, click File, Save, close the file. And if you take a look at this, all your charts should look something like this. There you go. So far it is so good. Save your file and submit it. Thank you.